Good morning, student. Dear student, in the previous part of the Joan of Arc, we learned about a lady, a girl, just married of 70 to 18 years, and she had very confident to free the Orleans from the English army. Though there is a twist in the story. Though she was a confident and she had a very strong willpower, but the army officers which were deputed or posted by France, that is Robert, he was not too much confident about that girl, because near about 70 to 80% area captured by English and Bulgarian army, area of France captured by English and Bulgarian army. And here in this serious situation, a very brave and courageous officers were not there to fight against English and Bulgarian army. And here a girl with a very slim body, very pale body, and just 70 to 80 years, she had a strong will to fight against them. That's why her proposal was denied by the French army officer, that is Robert. Here we were in the last period. Now move towards the next part of the story, part of the play. Student, Joan of Arc is a character in the history which is known for her bravery. She is a national heroine of France and also regarded a saint. Of France, Joan of Arc. Lots of stories are moving around her character, how she died, how she freed Orleans, how she saved Prince. Lots of stories are there, and this duration was 100 years was between France and England. It means 1430 or 1429. That was the story. That's why she was regarded as a saint by the French people. So she put forward the proposal before Robert that she wants some soldiers, armor and horse and permission to free the Orleans from the English army. Robert, who was thinking that a very brave and courageous officers were not there to fight against them, and a girl is ready to fight against them. That's why she directly denied her proposal, and she called her that, are you going to mad? That we are very courageous officers, are not in the mood to fight with them, fight against them, and you are ready to fight against them. Now, Robert shocked. Robert, so are you assuming that I will give you what you want? It means Robert was telling to Joan that you are thinking that what you are demanding, that I am going to permit you. It means he was telling to Joan. Joan said, yes, square. Square means here higher officer. Yes, square. A horse will cost 16 francs. 16 francs horse. It is a big amount of money. But I can save it on the armor. I don't need beautiful armor made to my needs. I can find a soldier armor that will fit me well enough. I shall not want many soldiers, the dolphin will give me all I need to free Orleans. She is convincing to Robert that demanded that she want a very costly armor and costly suit, the fight suit. She just want a horse with the 16 francs, and whatever the war suit, she didn't demand it to Robert. She told that she can take the suit from any soldier which is fit to her body, and she is ready to free Orleans. Orleans is a city which is captured by English army. Robert shocked to free Orleans. John simply, yes, dear. There 3 men will be enough for you to sail with me. Polly, John, Jack have promised to come with me. It means her plan was ready. She had a foolproof plan. She directly convinced Robert that, sir, there is no need to spend more money on me and my soldiers. I just demanded you 3 men, and 2 of them were Polly and Jack, and they promised to John to come with her, to go with her. Robert, you mean Monister Pollingly? It's the full name of Polly. Yes, dear, John said. Jack will come willingly. He is a very kind gentleman and gives me money to give to the poor. I think John Godsev will come, and Dick and Archer and their servant John of Hencourt and Julian. There will be no trouble for you. Square, I have arranged it all. You have only give the orders. She again convinced Robert that, sir, you don't worry. All the people which were demanded by me, that were willingly ready to come with me, means John, dear John. They are willingly ready to support me. So you don't worry. You just allow us to go and free Orleans. This was the discussion going on between Robert and John. Robert, is this true about Monsieur de Poligny? He's asking to steward. Is it true? It means Poligny is ready to go with that girl? Steward, eagerly, yes, sir. Steward answered, yes, sir. And about Monsieur de Metz too. They both wanted to go with her. Yes, sir. Both of them are ready to go with her. Robert goes to the window. The discussion was going on in that tent or that room. Robert goes to the window and shouts the country yard. Send Monsieur de Poligny to me, will you? It means he ordered that. Send to Polly. He turns to John. Get out and wait in the yard. It means here Robert was cross-checking with the supporters of the supporters of John. He was going to cross-checking. He was going to ask to Poligny that Jack, are they willingly ready to go with her, or any other reason behind that. It was a cross-checking. That's why he called Poligny, and he ordered to John to go outside and wait. John, smiling brightly at him, and right square she goes out. John goes out and standing beside that room. Robert to the steward, "Go with her, stay within a call and keep your eye on her. I shall have her up again." Now, he's ready about that girl. He ordered to steward, "You have to keep eye on her, means watch her. I want that girl here again." Robert, she said, "You Jack and Dick have offered you to go with her? What for? Do you take a crazy idea of going to dolphin seriously?" Please Pauline, slowly. "There is something about her. It may be worth trying." It means here, Polly had a very great confidence or a great belief in John. Polly identified the guts, or Polly identified her willpower. That's why Polly was ready to go with that girl. It means girl means John. So John answered to Robert, "Sir, I'm willingly going to ready with that girl. There is something in that girl." "Oh, come on, Polly. You must be out of your mind," Robert said to Polly. "Out of your mind? It's a crazy idea. It's a mad idea. You are a foolish person. You are believing in that girl with just about 17 to 18 years, and she is going to fight with that English army where the courageous men and courageous soldiers were put down their arm against them. She is just misguiding you, and you are misguided by her. This is the very crazy idea, very mad idea, very foolish idea that you are going to follow." Polly answered to Robert, What is wrong with it? The dolphin is in Chinon. It's a place, name of the place. City, France city. The dolphin is in Chinon. Dolphin means prince. A dolphin is in Chinon, like a rat in the corner. It means he hided there. Except that he won't fight. He's not ready to fight. He won't fight. The English will take Orleans. And by that reason, English will automatically, easily capture the Orleans. He will not able to stop them. Dauphin, the prince of the France, is not ready to fight with the English person, and that's why English army will very easily capture the city. That city is Orleans. Robert, he beat the English the year before last. Mantagris, I was with him. Robert told to Polly that you don't forget that our dolphin beat English army last year, and Robert was with that mission, in that mission with the dolphin, willingly. But his men were caught, frightened, scared, and now he can't work miracles. And I tell you that nothing can save our sight but a miracle. But now the situation is too much different. Last year it was okay, but this year Dauphin and his men were too much frightened. They were scared to English army, and in that situation no one can save us without miracle. This is the real situation of France. If we want to save Orleans, we must want to believe to that girl. This was the discussion going on between Robert and Robert and Polly, who was going to assist to John in her mission. Robert, miracle or not right, Polly? The only difficulty about them is that they don't happen nowadays. Robert said, miracles are not happening. Miracles not works. Not happen anyway. Pauline, you used to think so. I am not so sure now. There is something about her. I think a girl herself is a bit of miracle. Anyhow, this is our last chance. Let's see what she can do. Again, Pauline convinced Robert that, sir, I know that miracles not happen, but we don't have any option. We don't have any choice without believing in that girl. Whatever I see in that girl, that is, the girl is a bit of miracle. Only she can save us. I see something special in that girl. That's why there is no option before us without believing in that girl. So Pauline convincing to Robert. This is the third part of the story. We will see what is going on in the next story, in the next part. Thank you.